And now here is factory speeds. It's 2. Not using the original shades because the shades are on my Lyndhurst. So here's low. I'm gonna do it quick. Screw it. I accidentally smashed my finger in the faceplate because the screen vents are like the part. These are fern-leaf faceplates, and I accidentally smashed my finger in it. So here's medium. And I have to do it quick, so since my mom is coming here, and she doesn't want me to put it here, so I'll do quick first. So I gotta do it quick before she finds out. Alright, I'll set that to low. I'm gonna do it fast before my mom finds out. Show the light on. And I'm not using 4 bulbs, I'm using 2 light bulbs. Well, tomorrow morning I would put those bulbs back onto these. Here's medium. Get the chain. Well, again, my fingers smashed into the faceplate. It's high. Yeah. That's the annoying part. I would just smash my finger in the faceplate. Now I'll turn it off. So that's all we have today on the Hampton Bay State Clair from 2001.